Okay, so here we are at the CDC Wonder births page, and we're going to 2003, 2006, and then we have to agree, and then we want to fill in the blanks, group by, the first thing is state, and then we want to group by age of mother 9, and then we want to group by year. And what we want is the fertility rate. Let's go down here and check, make sure everything's okay. In most cases the default is okay, but one place we've got to make sure that we've got all years checked. Okay. And then we want to export results and send. Okay, so at this point you'll have this file sitting in your downloads folder. So now we can go over to RStudio and import dataset from text reader, not base. And we're going to browse, and we'll go to the downloads folder, and we find that file. And let's see, it is a tab delimited file, and we wanted to name it something different when we get it into RStudio. We want by underscore STATE underscore 0306. That's what we decided to name it. And everything else is okay. So we will go ahead and do the import. And now we need to take this stuff here. You notice that it's spread over 2 lines, and this plus is because it had to go to a second line. So copy that. Command C. And we go up here. Command V, and then we get rid of this stuff here. Okay, and then this will run that whole stuff again, and you can see it here. Okay, then repeat the process for data from 2007, 2018, and then the other part that I wanted to show you, I wanted to work through with you carefully, is how we do the recoding. What we want to wind up with is state, year, age, which is actually the contents of age code. FPOP didn't want that whole female population thing. And this has to be made numeric using ask.numeric because it was interpreted as a character string because of those not available things in it. Same thing with births and rate. And then we want to eliminate the District of Columbia using, we're not going to use starts with. And place your code here. So this is after I've got both of them together and into 0318, but the process for cleaning it up is the same in all of these files. So I'm going to select state, year, and then note the backticks, age of mother 9 code. This version of Reader or RStudio, when it runs it into an invalid name for our purposes, when it's importing a file, it leaves it as it is, but it has to put it inside backticks. That's the lowercase thing underneath the escape, underneath the tilde, which is underneath the escape key. And so those are the only columns I want, and then I'm going to filter. The state must not be District of Columbia, and I'm going to do some renaming. Age is this backtick age of mother of 9 code, then there's FPOP is female population, rate is fertility rate, and then I mutate, rate is ask.numeric of rate divided by 1,000 because the number that's in the data is actually births per 1,000. And we want births per person, and then we have fpop is s.numeric of fpop, and then na.emit these mutates up here where you did the s.numeric. That'll create some nas, and then we do the summary. Okay, and that should be enough to get you through this little data importation task.